Hey guys, a long time no see. I haven't filmed a video in such a long time. I really miss it. Today I'm going to be talking about some things I picked up from everything5pounds.com. They contacted me and said, would I like to pick out 4 things? And I thought that was very nice because I've been sent stuff from them in the past, so I did, and I picked out a couple of other things that I paid for, so I thought I would share them with you. Now, this is one of the 2 things that I paid for. This is a little crossbody bag, and it is so cute, guys. I mean, honestly, I really loved the print. I love it. I love the black and the flowers against the black. And I've never had a crossbody bag before, but I thought, well, you know, why not? It's lovely. It's beautiful material. Has a little fastening there. And inside, and also my big thing about handbags, or any bags in particular, is they have to have a zip. I can't have it all open here. We bend down to pick something up and everything falls out. It drives me insane. So it has a zip compartment inside, it has a zip up the top, and then it has plenty of room for everything else. Just a little day bag. I thought that was very cute. Oh, it has a zip at the back. I hadn't seen that. Also has a zip at the back, a little pocket at the back. I thought that was lovely. Just before I get onto the clothes and stuff, I really wanted to tell you guys that everything5pounds.com I think is really up their game. I was so stunned at the quality of these things when they arrived. Seriously, there's not one thing that I thought, everything is amazing quality. I don't know how they do it. Anyway, enough about that. But I just wanted to say that this, you know, everything is amazing quality from the order that I got. Amazing. So the next thing I picked up is this gorgeous button-down shirt. Now, you know me, I love my button-down shirts. This one has little butterflies on it, if you can see. Buttons at the cuffs. Beautifully well made. I believe this was made in Paris, so pretty impressive. I love this. It's kind of like, I got a big size because I don't like tight. I'm quite chesty. I don't necessarily look it because I don't know why, but I'm quite chesty, so I don't like anything really tight. This is a size 14. I think everything I got apart from a coat, which is just a steal because it was actually the wrong size completely, but it's a perfect fit. Everything is a size 14 or a 12, I think. And it's quite long as well, if you can see. I like that. I don't like things that don't cover my bum. I don't like them. No. So, got that. I love it. It's so pretty. Just so pretty. Now, this is the next shirt I picked up. It's actually longer on the model than it appears, so it actually is quite short at the back. But I love the pattern and I love the material. It's really quite heavy, so I'm not too bothered that it's not that long. You see? It's really like chunky material. I love this. Look at this. I'm sorry you guys, I'm kind of stuck in a corner, but I'm decorating my room, so this is kind of the only thing that doesn't look like a bomb's gone off in it, and even then it's still untidy, but you get the general idea. And this is buttoned down too. I like these buttons, if you can see. It's a lovely material. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So well made. Okay, this cardigan I had to have, and I'm so pleased that it's so gorgeous. Look at it. It's really long too, and the back has the same paneling as the front. You see? Look at this pattern. Isn't that beautiful? And the fabric is just lovely. It's not cheap or anything. This one was also made in Paris, so I don't know, I think that's a sign of good quality if you ask me. So I just love this. It's going to be perfect for the winter. It's gorgeous. Now, this I wasn't sure about, but I thought it's kind of like a coat, but it's kind of not heavy like a coat. Now, the one thing, some of the creases have actually dropped out. The one thing is that when it arrived, it was kind of creased, and I don't iron things, so I'm going to have it like steam. What do they call it? Steam, so all the creases drop out. But I love this. It's very, very long. It's this beautiful kind of, it's all gold flecked. See? And I just think it's perfect. It's just like a light jacket or a light coat without it being really, really heavy. Beautiful. But does come a bit creased. And this is the second thing that I actually bought myself. I had to have it. It was only in a size 8, and I'm not size 8 by any stretch of the imagination. But it looked kind of big, and a lot of the reviews said it was quite big, even though it was a small size. So I winged it and bought it anyway, and oh my god, you guys. I love this coat. It is so beautiful. It has buttons up the front, also has one of those hidden buttons, pockets, look at it. And the material is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. £5. No one would believe you. Like, no one would believe you if you told them this was only £5. They think you were lying. So that, I think, was an amazing purchase. So don't be worried about the sizes if they've only got small sizes, because I am not a size 8, guys, okay? I wouldn't fit one arm in a size 8. But look, gorgeous. So you guys, those are my spoils from everything5pounds.com. I also have a coupon code, not quite sure what it is, so I'll put it here or somewhere, for you guys to get a certain percentage off your order. I just think I'm overwhelmed. The quality's just stunning. Just stunning. Everything that I got, hands down, wonderful. No way anybody would believe that they're all just £5. I love that company, it's fab. I'm going to go back and have a look for some other stuff. And also a perfect idea if you don't know what to get people for Christmas, go nuts there. The quality's lovely. Obviously, I mean, it's like any shop, the quality's not going to be bang on 100% perfect every time with every single item. That's the same with anybody. But for £5, that coat was £5. £5 well spent. So, little quick video for you guys. I hope you're doing really well. Yeah, I'm on Etsy now with Wild Melts. I do sugar scrubs, essential oil roll-ons, wax melts. I will be doing a Christmas collection. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that, and I'll link all that jazz down below, including a link to everything5pounds.com and my code for you guys to get a percentage off your next order. So I hope you're keeping well. Hopefully it won't be so long until I see you guys again. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.